Welcome back, Filmaholics. My name is Kyle Koenig, and in this channel you find anything and everything filmmaking. So if you guys want more of that, consider subscribing because I upload weekly on Fridays. Also, don't forget that notification bell so you guys know when my next video gets posted. And we're back from the fan ads. So let me know what you guys think, what you guys would have done differently, if you guys have any other advice down in the comments below. I really want to make a community like that where we help each other out, we help each other learn and grow in our filming journey. So that would be amazing if you guys could comment down below. Now, also, if you guys want to check out the product, the gear I used to make that video and this video and my past videos, go ahead and check down in the description below. There gonna be no extra cost to you guys, but it will help out the channel, so help us out over there. And if you guys want to check out more fan ads, check out in this little box right here. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe and dream on.